Hey guys, and welcome back. So my friends over at Finesse kindly sent me this care package and it is huge. I have had a sneak peek, and so I'm not going to lie, but I have had a sneak peek and it is one of the largest care packages I've had probably in a while, if not ever. And I can't thank James enough at Finesse for sending me everything I needed. And as you guys know, I do like Finesse's products, I do like Finesse as a brand, and I do really admire what they've done with their business. So I'm just going to go quickly through what they've sent me, and then I'm going to show you the car that I'm going to be cleaning today, because it is a car that I haven't actually featured on the channel. So with that being said, let's just have a quick little peek at what they've sent me. So the first thing that I noticed in the box was the crew bag. Now of course I already have two of these, plus I have two small ones. But yes, this will definitely come in handy for car shows this year. So they have sent me one of their aqua drying towels, which I love. I have one of those already. A new wash mitt, some microfiber cloths, which are always handy, of course. Microfiber sponges. We've got a bunch of their little signature hanging air fresheners, tyre dressing sponges, a new clay bar, which is something I have needed to invest in a while, snow foam, avalanche, hide, leather conditioner, iron out, obviously iron out, tar and glue remover, car shampoo, Finesse quick detailer, glisten, which is a spray wax, triple. People can say what they want about Finesse, but Finesse's triple is one of the best hand applied polishes on the market, and I do not care what anyone says, I will fight with that one. And then they've sent me the Parma Violet, and I have got this, I've had it before, and it just literally smells like Parma Violets, and it's such a good air freshener. From Wheel Soap and Satin, which is their tyre cream. We've also got Crystal, which is a glass cleaner. We have got Imperial, which is a wheel cleaner. We've got Glide, which is a clay lube. Citrus Power, which is a bug and grime remover. Waffle glass cloth, which is so good. I love the glass cloths, they're so good. So it is, like I said, a huge amount of stuff that they have sent me. Now I have been sent a few care packages over the last few weeks, so I'm trying to get through some stuff, because I have got loads and loads of stuff already on my shelves as well that I have bought in the past. This means I am going to have to get around to making more content. I have been slacking, but this is my second video in a week, so I'm doing really well. I'm trying to get back into it. But yes, thank you to Finesse for sending me all this stuff. So let's just go and have a look at what this car is. This is a 1984 Mini Mayfair. Ryan, his parents and his brother have all bought this car together, and there has been no expense spared since that day. For example, this car has had a widened arch kit, it's had a new set of wheels put onto it, even down to the interior, all the small details have been changed. So let's move on to cleaning this car with only Finesse products. I start by using their snow foam avalanche. This car has been very dirty, it has got a lot of Sahara dust on it. You will have seen every influencer and their dog talking about Sahara desert dust, so I'm going to give it 2 snow foams. Now it's time to lather up with their car shampoo. I was completely fed up rinsing the car down by this stage. Now onto the wheels. Fun fact, these wheels have never been cleaned from the day and hour that they were bought. They have only been quick detailed, never washed. A quick dry off with the blower, and then onto the aqua drying towel. And then a quick spritz up for the interior. Time to give the leather some TLC. And to finish off with a quick spray wax. A quick little protection for the winter. And of course, the last thing you should be doing when washing your car is adding tyre dressing. Okay guys, so that just brings us to the end of today's video. I think we can all agree that the little mini Mayfair is looking really good. It doesn't take a whole lot to make something old nice again. Ryan and his dad and his mum and his brother and everyone involved with this little build have done such a good job on it already. They haven't owned it very long and it is just looking so nice. Like I said, it's amazing what a bit of time and effort can do with this little car. And I remember when they just bought it just recently, and it did need a lot of TLC, it did need a lot of work. Now this car will be going to get a full paint job soon. That's the only thing it really needs at the minute. Like I said, there's so many parts on this car. It has had so much time and effort and money spent on it in the last little while. I think we can all agree that it is such a nice example of a classic Mini. I am going out for my dinner tonight, so I am going to go home, get changed and go out and get something to eat. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big like. If you're new here, please please consider subscribing. It really does help me grow. I have took a step back from YouTube for the past little while, but I promise I am trying to get back into it, and there's so many cool things coming up now. The winter is always the time where I can make more videos, weirdly enough, because I do have a bit more time. Car shows do take up a lot of my time in the summer. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.